cake.
We're playing patty cake.
Please don't make me play
Playing patty cake.
Why?
For everyone on the internet.
This is going on YouTube. Don't make me play patty cake.
I don't even know how to play.
How
so we're
dumb
gonna
do
figure
you
it
want to
out.
look? Oh my god.
Okay, we're gonna go.
Oh,
Right?
one.
We're going boom, boom,
Two.
boom. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's this.
Wait, no, it's boom.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Anyway, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to Over the Table's random reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button down below.
Good lord.
Good lord. Lord is good. Over the Table is good. You guys are good. Hopefully get that gift on Christmas, not that cold. But anyway, we're gonna get into the product. Today we've got this like mini Frisbee type of product. I found it on eBay for like less than $2. I'll pop that link in the description if you want to get your own. It seems pretty darn interesting. We're gonna open it up, we're gonna check it out, we're gonna see if it works.
All right, let's
ready?
go.
Let's get started. Alright guys, here's our product. It comes in pretty standard eBay packaging. It's not the bubble wrap type, but that is okay for this product. It doesn't need a lot of protection. We're going to open this thing up with this little mini multi-tool plier thing that I reviewed in another video. So let's get this thing open. Alright, so here is the actual product. It does come protected in some extra plastic, which is always good for the shipping process. So let's get it out. Now the color with this thing is very visible, so you really don't have to worry too much about losing this thing because it's very neon fluorescent type of yellowish green. I really like it. It's got this really flexible kind of soft feel. It's not going to hurt if you got hit in the head with this thing, so you don't have to worry about where you're throwing it. We could always test that with Colin anyway. It's flexible. It looks cool. It feels good in the hand. It's a good size. This thing is super durable. There's like no way you're ever gonna break it, just so you guys know. So you could really go out there and launch this thing. You don't have to worry about hitting anything or anyone. It's soft, it won't hurt. And I mean, unless you really launch it at someone and it hits them in the eye. But unless you're doing that, I'm not even sure what kind of accuracy we can have. Let's go outside, test it out, see what we can do with it. No, I just want one. Just one catch. Oh my gosh, Colin, you can see right where it hit. How'd it feel?
It's all right. Didn't hurt at all.
Didn't hurt at all? That's what we like. That's what we like to see. This thing right here, super durable, super safe, and actually pretty fun. Accuracy wasn't too bad either, right?
No, not at all.
Nope, just takes a little bit of practice and you're gonna get this thing going.
It's like a Frisbee, just cheaper.
Yep, like a Frisbee, but cheaper, way more portable, way more cool. I like it.
A lot more durable.
Way more. Just so you guys know, it does sink. In case that's an important detail, it does sink. Come on, Colin. Oh no. No! No! Sugar. Sugar! Oh. Oh? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got it. Good job, buddy.
There we go.
Alright guys, we got some thick grass here that hasn't been cut yet. Colin's gonna throw this thing in there just so we can have an idea of how easy it is to spot this thing. Give it a throw, Colin.
Ready?
Yep.
Already see it.
Already see it. Boom. No doubt in my mind that that is right there. That could be spotted from across the yard. And this is pretty thick grass. I know you guys remember back when I did that that playing card, that metal playing card. I lost that thing for 30 minutes looking for it after I threw it. And it was just sitting in the grass. This thing, very, very visible, very fluorescent. Even at night, I'm sure it'd be pretty darn visible.
Oh, yeah.
With just a little bit of light. That's great. Perfect stuff, guys. Wow, it skips better on the table than it does in water.
I'm gonna take terrible on that. I mean, you could fidget with it in school too. You know, kind of.
You could chew on it. It could be a dog's chew toy. You know, it'd actually make for a really good like dog frisbee for a dog to catch. Even like chihuahuas could. You know, at least to play fetch.
You think it would work like a coin?
You know, I doubted it, and then I just realized that it does.
It's pretty cool. I like that.
That's insane. That this really friction-filled silicone is able to spin like that.
Mm-hmm. And you can chuck it at his friend who's feeling the pain.
You can. I chucked it right at his forehead as a test, just to see. Doesn't hurt.
Didn't get it on video though.
No, we didn't need it on video. We got enough on video. I hope you guys. Ooh.
Good lord. You're 21 and the voice crack is still there.
Oh no! I think this happened in another video.
It definitely did. I'm pretty sure I pointed it out.
You must have been in that video.
Why is it every time I'm in a video you just want to go through puberty again?
You know, I just loved puberty so much that I went through it multiple times. I'm just gonna keep going through it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this little review of this little guy right here, this mini Frisbee. That's definitely like stuff in my throat. This mini Frisbee right here, definitely a fun little product. Very, very portable, fun, durable. Like, I literally could throw this thing off a face of a cliff and probably see it the whole way. Very visible, and it won't even break because it's that high quality. It's just fun. I enjoyed it. My buddy Colin here enjoyed it with me. Hopefully you guys have a pretty good idea of how good it is. Definitely recommend this thing for sure. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click the subscribe button right in between us, right here. If you want to check out the last product I reviewed, it'll be right up to my left. And if you want to check out the playlist, it's right up above Colin. Have a great day, everybody. And as always,
Don't get shot.
don't.
Beach time, boys.
Don't get shot.
Beach time, boys.
Hey!